Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today I'm gonna do a review on this Launch 919XBT, which is Bluetooth version. There you go. So let's open it up and see what we got. So in this locked compartment, you got the cable, you got the charger, and you got the Bluetooth adapter, and then you got your manual, and then on the other side you got, let me see, you got the unit itself. The unit itself. So that is pretty cool. Okay, so let's open the unit up. So you got a unit. So you got the, on the top you got a USB and a USB-C port, and then you got the camera in the back. This is 8 meg camera, and then you get all the information, serial number right here. This one don't have the stand. It's supposed to be a stand right here, so you can put it down and you have a stand right there. And let's peel this off. Okay, and then you got the power button on the side. So basically power button, 2 USB, 1 USB-C, and the regular USB. And then you got your 8 meg camera on the back, and that's it. So let's turn it on. Okay, now this over here, we got the USB cable right here, USB-C cable to the regular USB, and then you got this cable right here for the OBD port, and then you got the USB adapter. So I mean the Bluetooth. So what do you do is, let me see, and then you got another USB port right here, USB-C. So what do you do is you plug this into here, and then you plug this into your car. Okay, so here it is. So let me tell you about this hardware in here. Okay, so this is the Android 10. Come with Android 10. They upgraded from the old version, which is have 3 gig of RAM and 32 gig of internal storage. Now they upgraded to 4 gig of RAM and 64 gig of internal storage. So that's really good. So you get a 7-inch screen, and then it's pretty tough right here. Now you can see, nice fit in your hand, nice grip, good casing. I like it. Now this come with 35 serviceable function. Also it come with 150 car compatible with this, and it support VAG, which is some model they give you a step-by-step instruction how to troubleshoot. And then of course this come with a 2-year free software update. And then of course this is a bi-directional scan tool. And then so you got camera, you got recording, you got calculator, you got browser, you got all the Gmail in here, so you can send your report to someone if you want to. So it's a lot of stuff in here. Let's go back. Okay, so also this have ECU coding, which is the offline one. If you don't know what ECU coding is, I have it on my channel that I show you a little bit how to do it. It's pretty easy. Basically, it's customizing your little stuff inside your car, like maybe how long you want to put the lighting on your car on, and then basically you change the default one, and then you and so it's a really good unit. Look really tough. I wish they have the stand right here, so I can easily let it stand somewhere when I troubleshoot. But the hardware upgrade and then the software itself and look really clean. It looked pretty good. So let's try and test it out and see how fast this thing is. Okay, let's go. Let's go to my car and see how well it runs. Okay, so I got the car in the car. You plug it in, ODB, and you just leave it there. And then the next thing you want to do is, let me put this somewhere easy. I can video. There you go. That should be good. As you can see. So we go ahead and test it out. I'll go ahead and turn it on the car. And let's see how it works. So that looked really good, as you can see. So let's run the diagnostic and see how well good it go. Diagnostic. So this is a Toyota, it's not an EV. Diagnostic. Okay, this is 16. Other 12, this is 2015, so I'll pick that. Okay. So this is so cool. See this? Because it's Bluetooth, I can take it out. There you go. So how cool it is. I can run this from the back of the car. Okay, let's do the health report. See how fast it's run. So I like this is how they show you the battery right here. So you know exactly your battery is charging or not. Your system is your car is charging the battery or not. All right, so I got some code right here. I go ahead and just clear out the code. No, not yet. So let me show you all the light data of this. Read data stream. Select all, okay. And look how cool it is. This is have a lot of data. And look how well it go when I do the scrolling. You don't see any lagging at all. So that's just how cool it is. And then you can graph this. See, you got how many? 2, 4, 6, 8 graph. So that's pretty cool. And you know the benefit of this is the Bluetooth version is that this is so useful, you know, because you can left this in the car and then you can do the driving, so you can troubleshoot. So if you have a Bluetooth, you can left it anywhere in the car, right? But if you have a wire, the hot wire is gonna hang around everywhere, and it's pretty hard for you to just drive and have to deal with the wiring. And this Bluetooth is so useful on that part. And also another useful part is let's say you want to troubleshoot your car, right? And then if you want to listen to the engine, so you want to listen to the engine, you can bring your scan tool outside here. Because there's no wire, you can bring out here and you can pay attention to the engine itself, and you know exactly what it is, rather than you have to leave if you have the wire one, you have to leave it inside the car, and then you have to run back and forth just to troubleshoot. When you have this Bluetooth, it's so convenient that you just bring it over here and then you can side by side look at the engine itself and then look at the scan tool itself, the data itself, to get the information you needed. Also, you can use for example, you can use let me turn off the engine so you can hear my voice a little better. So also another useful function is you can use the bi-directional to test let's say your fuel pump, you want to know your fuel pump is working or not, right? So instead of with the wire, you have to sit in front and see if the fuel pump is you can try to hear if your fuel pump is working or not. Instead, you can just bring this all the way back here, right next to a fuel pump, which is down here. And then you can manually use the scan tool to turn it on, and then you can hear the sound of the fuel pump is clicking or not. So it's so useful on a lot of aspects of troubleshooting, and that's why the Bluetooth is so great. So as you can see, the data, as you can see when I'm doing the health report, this thing is pretty fast. So the upgrade memory and the upgrade storage is really helpful. It's really helpful bringing this scan tool performing. So the only thing I complain about this is there's no stand for this. So you have to find some place to you lay it down. But other than that, this thing is extremely useful, and they have so many functions. This is great for DIY. It's also great for the shop. If you have a small shop, this can do it all. And if you're asking me if I compare this to the wire one, if you have the money, I would definitely get the Bluetooth one because it's so useful, and it's less bothersome with all the wiring that limit your troubleshooting skill. So that's just a little preview of this 919X Bluetooth scan tool from launch. It's a very nice unit. Look like it's very tough, heavy duty, and I love how it works. I used to have scan tool, launch scan tool, so I know how well the software is, and it's a very good scan tool, and I definitely recommend it. I have the, if you want one, I have the link on my video description in case if you want to buy one. This is a great scan tool, and highly recommend it. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.